Welcome to 890 West Cliff Drive, one of the best ocean view condos that you will find on the west side of Santa Cruz. My name is Jessica Wallace, your Santa Cruz Realtor, and I'm standing in the living room of this beautiful condo with views of West Cliff Drive and the ocean. Just look at that view. This unit has a really cool modern look to it with unique finishes, interesting light fixtures. The kitchen is open to the living room. You have an island with a sink, a wall of windows, amazing ocean views. There are 2 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, right in the heart of Santa Cruz. If you're looking for an ocean view property where you can enjoy the Santa Cruz lifestyle, you found it. My name is Jessica Wallace. Give me a call if you'd like to take a look.